Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. I am Semanur, consultant for aesthetic treatments like dental care, hair transplant, and plastic surgery in Turkey. Today we are going to answer 5 most frequently asked questions and good to knows about rhinoplasty surgery. Thinking about rhinoplasty? Or are you undergoing a nose job or rhinoplasty surgery? Whether you are planning on doing it for corrective or cosmetic purposes, you may have a lot of questions regarding the nose job or rhinoplasty that need to be answered before you going under the knife. Why are so many people dissatisfied with their nose? The nose occupies a rather prominent position in the center of your face, so it is something in your face that you pay a lot of attention to, and if you don't like your nose, it stands out even more. In addition, we live in a time when you often see yourself on a screen during online meetings or in a photo or selfie. As a result, your nose may have bothered you even more, precisely because it is so important to the harmony of your face. If your nose is too large in relation to the rest of your face, this will often have bothered you for a long time and you have long felt the need to do something about it. What should I look for when choosing the surgeon? A nose surgery is an art in the middle of the face. But because a nose is in the middle of the face and therefore a failed nose can ruin all your life and take away all the self-confidence. Rhinoplasty surgery can be performed in many hospitals. However, when choosing a hospital, you should pay attention to whether the hospital is fully equipped in the field of rhinoplasty. Hospitals that are certified in the area of aesthetic operations and with high hygienical standards should be preferred. Therefore, choosing the right nose surgeon is the most important point. But what do I best pay attention to? First of all, look at what kind of nose you have, what your external problems are. Look at what kind of nose the doctor has done, especially to see what his specialties are. Do you have internal trouble? See if it's a doctor who is trained for that. You can search the previous surgeries your doctor has performed and examine their success rates. What's important to know before rhinoplasty surgery? It is important to be in good health. Therefore, stop smoking a few weeks beforehand. It's also wise to not drink alcohol and ginger tea. Both interfere with blood clotting, which can delay wound healing and rhinoplasty recovery, thus increasing the risk of complication. Furthermore, it is really important to pick an experienced surgeon and a good clinic. Indeed, good aftercare is essential for optimal recovery. What are complications and risks in rhinoplasty surgery? Sometimes more than normal post-operative bleeding occurs. Usually this is not serious. It may be necessary to operate again immediately to stop bleeding. Initially, some swelling and irregularity of the nose and nasal bridge may remain. Usually this disappears, but sometimes it persists. In some cases, additional correction is then necessary. Sometimes the result is disappointing. There are definitely more questions about rhinoplasty surgery. Be sure and watch my movies about rhinoplasty surgery on my channel, or fill out your questions here below. I will answer it as soon as possible. See you next week. Bye bye.